Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how to download and installing Logitech C270 HD webcam driver on Windows 11 or 10. Just open your browser, then type in this Logitech. Click on it on the first link. Once this opens, you need to go under support. If you're here, then go on downloads. When this opens up, then choose your category, which is webcams. Then here, webcams. Here, that's where we choose our product. HD webcam 270. You can choose the other webcams if you want. Click on this. Here, then you select your operating system, Windows 11 or 10. Then you download it. After you download it, then you run the setup and you're done.